Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add multiple Gmail account on Gmail app. So we will just open our Gmail mobile application here, which is inbuilt in Android phones. Now on the top right side corner you will see your profile icon. Just click over there. Now click on add another account. Once you click on add another account, you will get this option. If you want to add a Google account, you can just tap here. Same for Outlook, Yahoo and some other, right? So just click on Google, right? Once we click on Google, it will just scan. We have to just verify this. Once we verify this, it will again load for a few seconds. You can add your email address. So for example, let me add email address here. For example, I can just do here and I will just hit the enter, right? For example, once I hit the enter, you have to just enter the password. For example, let me correctly add it, right? And it will says that we are not a robot, and we have to just click on this. We have to just give me a few seconds. I will verify this. Now here we have to enter the password. Once we enter the password, we will able to log in into this account. So it's very easy, guys. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, make sure to subscribe.